Alright guys, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I know New Year's like 2 days from now, so my bad if you plan to get coquito to family on Christmas. But we're gonna make coquito. It's delicious, it's quick, it's easy, and you don't have to pay somebody $20 to do it. Today we're gonna make a chocolate coquito, because one, that's my favorite, and like if you don't like the chocolate coquito, you can just not put chocolate in it. It's pretty simple. Alright, so let's get started. First, so I use evaporated milk. Now, you want both coconut milk and coconut cream, right? If you use a whole coconut cream, it's gonna be too thick. If you use a whole coconut milk, it's gonna be too thin. So what I do is I mix them up half and half. All right, let's go. This coconut cream, well, most of them they come nice and thick. Like, I'll mix that in with that liquid. Now, if you're gonna give this out to your family, you want a blend that's at least 1.5 liters. So like, you can make 2 bottles. See these? 755 liters, 750 liters, so milliliters. So, all right. Next, you want a egg yolk. All right. You want. I use like a teaspoon of ground cinnamon here. You want 2/3 of this, not the whole can. I find it to be too sweet. Use the whole can. Alright. Get yourself, you're gonna make chocolate coquito. You want 70% cocoa, right? Now, why 70? If you go ahead and use like a Hershey's chocolate bar, it's gonna be too sweet. But you don't want that. But you use the 70, it's gonna be a little bitter. Once that sweetness from the coquito hits it, it's gonna take like a pure Hershey's chocolate bar. Trust me. Here we go. Now, I use a cup of Bacardi. You can use any liquor you want, but I find the clear Bacardi tastes the best. I've done Hennessy, right? I've done Hennessy, I didn't like it. I've done Brugal Coquito, I didn't like it. I've done tequila coquito, I didn't like it. But this Bacardi one's the best one. Use a cup. Let's get this chocolate. Now, you don't want to burn the chocolate. Have it in there for about 40 seconds. Right? Once it comes out, it's nice and hot. If you still see the bar in there, don't worry about it. Just mix that in. By the way, I use 3 of the little squares from here. Nice, creamy, delicious. Now, if you want to fill both your bottles, right, you need 1.5 liters. Right? That's like up here. So to fill that up, you can use more liquor. I don't like my coquito to be too strong, but you can use the coconut cream, the coconut milk to get it up there. Now, very important, you want to blend for 2 minutes. I'm gonna hit start. Good job, me. I forgot to hit start on the timer, so we're gonna guesstimate about 2 minutes. Alright. Let's taste this bad boy. Oh, that's delicious. Alright, now I give these out for Christmas and the holidays, right? So this year, I kind of forgot about it. I forgot I was working. But usually I buy the bottles on Amazon. These are more expensive. These are like, at 12 of these is probably like $30. Well, 12 in Amazon is $20. So if you're gonna give a bunch of them out for Christmas and New Year's, then you're gonna want to get those from Amazon. It's less expensive. Of course, you can use any bottle you want, but not like these. These are pretty. Usually, you can spend like $20 in a Coquito bottle to buy for somebody. When I used to sell them, I used to sell that chocolate one for $25. You know, that chocolate is pretty expensive too, anyways. But here we go. Now, you want to put these in the freezer for about 2 hours, right? They won't freeze in 2 hours, so you can take it out and drink it. If you leave it like overnight, it'll freeze. It'll take about an hour to thaw out. For the house, I just use the Bacardi bottle. But when I give them out, I use these bottles, so those Amazon bottles, and give it on one of these nifty ones. For adults, it's the best price you can give. Well, there you have it. I don't know how long this video is, probably like 5-6 minutes, but there you go. Delicious chocolate coquito. And again, you don't have to be chocolate. You can just not put the chocolate in it. And I know you're asking yourself, yo, you Dominican, how you gonna making Puerto Rican coquito? And that's because, right? My bad for the curse, I freaking love coquito. Here we go. That's it. Alright, I'm all cleaned up now. To review, to make this delicious coquito, you're gonna need to buy an egg, a can of evaporated milk, a can of coconut milk, a can of coconut cream, a can of condensed milk. You need some ground cinnamon, whichever liquor you prefer. I'm telling you, Bacardi's the best. And if you make the chocolate one, 70% cocoa. And that's it. These ingredients will be in the description, along with some links to Amazon in case you want to get those bottles, you want to give them out to people. Alright, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.